This is for the Arbin BT2000. Got the power to the PC on. You can see we're at the desk, at the login screen to the desktop. I have not applied power to the unit yet. I'm going to log into the Arbin. As you can see, it is not password protected. At this point, I'm going to turn on the unit itself. There's three-phase power. It's 208 volts, three-phase to this. It's in the back, and I'll show the LED sequence there. Main power, once you've got a power supply to the unit, is here. Here are the fans kick on. We've got both our network cables hooked here going to this network switch. There is a 10-second self-test that goes on within the unit. Once that's been on, you can enter the MITS Pro software. When this is up, normally you would go into the launch sequence, but we're not testing anything. So to indicate that we're communicating and all of the channels function, we're going to go into the calibrate screen, which is this. Brings up this calibrate screen. I'll expand that. And in here, we have two things down in the tray. You have your MITS Pro screen, but you also have the DAC screen. This indicates communication between the PC and the unit. And when that comes up, it goes through these different tests, etc. And to know that there is communication going on is these sequence of periods. They just keep scrolling along. That is normal. That is what should happen when it's communicating. Dropping that back down. At this point, I have start channel 1 here. I'm going to hit set. And when I do that, it'll click on channel 1 on the unit. And you can see that channel 1 has engaged, and we are able to communicate to channel 1. Turn channel 1 off. I'm going to change it to channel 2, and I'll step through the channels so you can see that they're all communicating. So here's channel 2. Channel 2 off. Channel 3. Channel 3 off. And channel 4. This is the main breaker. There is a panel that goes here, but I have it off so that you can easily see. This is the three phases coming in. When they're sequenced properly, all three LEDs will be on. There's also a ground connection here for chassis ground. The last thing I wanted to point out here is that, here's your network switch. These are the two cables coming from the Arbin, and this is the one coming from the computer, which plugs into the TCP/IP onboard port in the back. There are two other Ethernet cards in this unit that that had been used previously to connect to internal labs and the internet. So they'll stay in here, but you want to connect to the main TCP/IP port and use the onboard video.